So this is Michael Grump doing a demonstration in blasting, one of my fortes. So what you want to do So, what I did is I grabbed a bunch of energy from other places, okay, and then I brought it to me. That's one way of doing it. But that's not the way to blast. That's just a way to bring more particles to you. See that? So I reach in, and oftentimes if I need extra stuff, that's when you'll hear me. Okay? So grabbing, then I accelerate those particles with the zzz, and then I point, aim, direct, and push out.